Kulottajantie 6 in Kangaslampi, Jyväskylä, staircase E. In 1973 and once in 1997 and again in 2020 it's 30587. This was Niels modernization. It's also very rare. I think you can see KSS 280 fixtures with this cap anywhere probably. 6th floor. And this one even has this rare white buttons. Unfortunately inner doors, but I think it had inner doors also after last modernization. 4 per so 320 kilograms. I will check if there are any oscillators, but I think not. Ground floor. I have already checked staircase. H to E. Inspected by Kone and maintained by Kone. Yeah. Still fluorescent lights. Very strange noises. Ground floor. 6th floor. The elevator does stop at ground floor. Ground floors between floors B and 1. And B is basement here. It should be K, I think, but still. Basement. That's